Dear children, let us start case study number 5 of class 10 science from MCQ School channel. MCQ School is going to cover all chapters case-based questions in coming videos. Let us start case study number 5. This is regarding the chemical equations. A chemical equation is a representation of chemical changes in terms of symbols and formula of reactant and products. A word equation shows change of reactant to product through an arrow placed between them. The substances which reacts are written on the left hand side of the arrow like this and term as reactant, while the substances produced as a result of the reaction are called as product on the right hand side and are written on the right hand side of the equation like this. The arrowhead points toward the product and shows the direction of the reaction. A chemical equation in which number of atoms on each element on reactant side is equal to that of product side is called a balanced chemical equation. So let us take questions now. Let us take question number 1. In which of the following equation the mass is not the same on the both the side? Options are skeleton equation, second option word equation, third option both A and B, D balance equation. So what is the answer as per you? So to understand this, let us take a case of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas when reacts forms water liquid. So writing like this, it would be called as word equation. While if we write with the symbols hydrogen H2 bracket G plus O2 bracket G and the right hand side H2O L liquid, then this would be called skeleton equation without balancing. So if we see in this, there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. So 2 into 1, that is 2 unit of mass, then 16 into 2, 32 unit of mass of oxygen, and like this on the right hand side 2 plus 16, so 18 unit of mass, but on the left hand side 34 unit, the right hand side the 18 unit. So this is not balanced. So left and right unit of mass is different in the balance equation. When we balance the equation, so we get 4 unit of hydrogen, 32 unit of oxygen and 36 unit of H2O. So that means left hand side 32 plus 4, 36 unit, right hand side 36 unit. That means balance equation is having equal on both sides, while word equation doesn't talk about balancing. So the answer is not the same, mass is not the same on both sides in the case of skeleton and word equations. So answer is both A and B. Let us take question number 2. The word aqueous represented as dash in a chemical reaction, whether it is represented as solution, second option solid, or gas, or all of these. So what is the answer as per you? The word aqueous means that it is a compound which is mixed with the water to form a solution. Hence the answer is a solution. Let us take question number 3. Among the following, the correct balance equation is, options are zinc plus hydrochloric acid forms zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Second option, nitrogen plus hydrogen forms ammonia. Third option, nitrogen plus oxygen forms nitrogen oxide. Fourth option is iron plus water forms ferric oxide and hydrogen. So what is the answer as per you? Which is the balanced equation out of this? To understand, let us write the equation on the left and right side and find out the atoms on the left and right side, whether they are equal or not. So in this case, zinc plus HCl, zinc is balanced on the both side, but hydrogen on the left hand side 1 hydrogen unit and 2 unit of hydrogen on the right hand side, while chlorine on the left hand side is 1 unit and then on the right hand side it is 2 units. So it's not, this equation is not a balanced equation. Let us take this case also, nitrogen plus hydrogen. In this 2 unit of nitrogen are there on the left hand side, while in the right hand side only 1 unit of nitrogen. So this is not balanced. Similarly, on the left hand side hydrogen 2 units are there, while on the right hand 3 units are there. This equation is also not balanced. Similarly, talking about nitrogen and oxygen, so 2 unit of nitrogen on the left hand side and on the right hand side only 1 unit of nitrogen. Similarly, oxygen on the left hand side 2 unit and right hand side 1 unit. So this is equation is also not balanced. While talking about the iron and fourth equation, iron and water, so in this case 3 unit of iron is there on the left hand side, on the right hand side also 3 units. And hydrogen 8 unit on the left hand side are there and right hand side also 8 units are there. And oxygen, there are left hand side 4 unit and right hand side also 4 units. That means the fourth equation is a balanced equation. Let us take question number 4. Which of the following represents the limitation of chemical equations? So this, what are the limitations that's asking? First, it fails to provide the information regarding the actual concentration of the reactant. That is true, that it doesn't provide the actual concentration of the reactant. Maybe it is mixed with the water as a solution but and written as aqueous, but there may be percentage of water mixed in there that is not actually written in that equation. Next, time taken for the completion of the chemical change is not provided. That is also true, that time is not given in that equation representation. And third, it doesn't tell whether the reaction is feasible or not. Yes, this is also true, because sometimes it happens the equation may be written but there are conditions are there where the possibilities of that reaction is not there because of the requirements, additional requirement in that. So all of the options are correct. So these are the limitation of chemical equation which is normally written, but these are still limitation remains with that equations. So the answer is all of the above. Let us take question number 5. Consider the following reactions. Hydrogen plus chlorine forms HCl. Similarly, hydrogen plus oxygen forms H2O water. So which options identify the reactant and product of the reaction? So what the answer as per you? So these are the options, left reactant side and product side. What is the best option? A, B, C, D. Which is best suited to this as the answer? So we know that in the case of equations, the reactant side are on the left hand side and product are on the right hand side. So in these two equations, the reactants are hydrogen, chlorine, hydrogen and chlorine, and hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen and oxygen. These are the reactant. So all these are there in the left hand side. So reactant D is suited for this. Similarly, the product is HCl and H2O. So that means the answer, perfect answer is D. So we will meet on video of class 10 science case study 6. Thank you very much. Please press bell icon and subscribe MCQ School channel to get new video notification. Thank you very much.